Hi, TG. A lot of them are still asking why I'm calling you TG instead of Sweet Spearmint. Little did they know, for us, or for me rather, GG means God's name. Because God is really true to His promise. His plans have always been so great that He graces my life with someone like me.
I think I'm falling. Oh, I might need someone to lean on. Maybe that somebody is you. You could be my
my one and only Grandmaster.
Promise I'll jump in.
On this day, I give you my heart. I give you my promises to encourage for every goals you want to achieve in your career. Cherish you and care for you as long as we both shall live.
Sabi nila, maswerte ka kasi you have me. But I beg to disagree. Because I know, and God knows, I am more than fortunate to have you.
Weightless for a moment, I'm tumbling fast through thin air, but I'm not scared. So tell me when your heart is ready. I'll give you my all if you let me.
Salamat sa pagmamahal, sa acceptance, and most especially, for letting me feel that I am not difficult to love.
Elmer Bukalbasi, loob ang ipagparito pang makisang dibdib si Jenny Maylay, pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Yes, Father. You are the love of my life, today and always. Be my forever Grandmaster.
According to 1 Corinthians 13, verse 4 to 7, the criteria on looking for the perfect one is when you replace the word love by your partner's name. And true enough, you really fit on each and every word it said. Sobrang dami nating pinagdaanan. Alam yon ng pamilya at kaibigan natin. Sa lahat ng problema na dumaan, hindi ko malalagpasan kung hindi ikaw ang kasama. Dahil ikaw ang aking tahanan. From its root word, tahan. Tayo lang tatahan.